दिल्ली में अरविंद केजरीवाल जिस तरह से शुरुआत में आए थे तो मध्यम वर्ग को बहुत उम्मीदें थी क्योंकि उनके वादे बहुत बड़े थे। हम सभी को पुराने भाषणों को अगर देखें
हैं वादे?
नहीं वादे नहीं निभाए।
केजरीवाल ने वास्तविक काम किया है तो जो काम करेगा तो वोट तो हक उसका बनता है कि उसको वोट मिलना चाहिए।
उसका हक बनता है।
मेन चीज है पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स से मतलब नहीं है। मेन चीज है काम जिसने किया है। विधायक जी तो आज तक देखने ही नहीं आए 5 साल तक।
तो हमारे तो कांग्रेस का समर्थन है ही क्योंकि हमें नौकरी नहीं मिली। हमें चाहिए रोजगार। 11 साल से ना तो केजरीवाल सरकार ने नौकरी दी ना भाजपा ने दी। जब से और ये दोनों सरकार आई है एनडीएमसी का बेकारा गर्क होगा।
कैसा चल रहा है, कैसे देख रहे हैं?
बीजेपी सपोर्टर
20 में
बीजेपी,
इस बार भी
बीजेपी
पसंद है। बीजेपी आइडियोलॉजी उनकी पसंद है।
जो चीज चल रही है वो अच्छी चल रही है और उस और बेहतर होनी चाहिए। और उनको थोड़ा सा जो हमारे यहाँ जो राज्य सरकार है, जो केजरीवाल जी की सरकार है, उनको थोड़ा इंफ्रा पे काम करनी चाहिए। नो डाउट वो बाकी सब सेक्टर में बहुत बढ़िया काम किया है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा इंफ्रा पे उनको काम करने की जरूरत है।
हाथ पे क्यों विश्वास है?
हाथ पे विश्वास है, पहले से ही विश्वास है हमें। तो जब
20 में किसके साथ थे?
20 में भी कांग्रेस के साथ थे।
अच्छा, आप तो पक्का कांग्रेस ही हो।
हाँ।
अच्छा। काम हुआ है? आपके विधायक ने काम किया है?
काम जो हुआ है वो सब लोग जानते हैं। क्या काम हुआ है
बताइए।
बंगला बना बहुत बढ़िया।
अच्छा, तो बदलाव चाह रहे हैं?
56 करोड़
बदलाव चाह रहे हैं।
सारी दिल्ली को शराबी बना दिया। बदलाव होना ही चाहिए।
For the national capital, it's the year of the big churn. Everyone has been put to the test. The old has to give way to the new. And ushering in the new will be the people of Delhi. And they come from everywhere. The people presumed affluent.
What's most important to you this time when you vote?
Well, right now it's really pollution, and I know it's bad for like 2-3 months of the year, and we all struggle with it. But I think with concerted effort for everybody, from citizens upwards, we can do it, and there's no reason why we can't do it.
The quintessential common man.
क्या देख रहे हो? विश्वास है ये या लगता है झूठ बोल रहे हैं बीजेपी? या केजरीवाल ने सही में ये बंगला लिया?
पता नहीं, वैसे तो केजरीवाल को ही रहते हैं हम तो।
केजरीवाल ही पसंद है।
हाँ।
पीएम का भी तो अपना शीश में है।
पीएम का भी अपना शीश में है।
तो नाम नहीं है बस।
हाँ?
नाम नहीं है पीएम के हाउस का।
अच्छा,
पीएम हाउस कहलाता है।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, मुद्दा नहीं है।
मुद्दा ऐसा कुछ होना तो नहीं चाहिए।
हाँ?
होना नहीं चाहिए। पीएम सीएम हाउस भी होता है, पीएम हाउस भी होता है, सबका अपना अपना होता है।
बीजेपी जीतनी चाहिए ना जीतनी चाहिए?
बीजेपी जीतनी चाहिए। एक बार उनको मौका मिलना चाहिए। 31 साल हो गए इनको सत्ता से दूर हो गए।
अच्छा,
31 साल पूरे हो गए इनको। इसमें इन्होंने हमारे पास भी नहीं भटके।
The people together playing the hand of God, ready to etch their political destiny. Ladies and gentlemen, culminating now the will of the people. An election woven through a web of national and local issues. And a voter most unpredictable. When Delhi wants, it goes all out. Will give a mammoth mandate. But when it doesn't, then even an onion could cost an election. And this election, while all 70 Delhi constituencies are equal, some are more equal than the others. Some that are most closely watched. The Kalkaji Assembly constituency is one such. It's witnessing one of the most keenly contested battles. Delhi sitting Chief Minister Atashi versus BJP's Ramesh Biduri, a man who has never lost a Vidhan Sabha or a Lok Sabha election, and versus the All India Congress Mahila President Alka Lamba.
अपनी शहरी से आशी जी
आतिशी जी लग रही है। काम किया है?
काम के बार स्लो किया है, हुआ है काम जो
स्लो हुआ है।
मतलब जो काम आज होना चाहिए वो हुआ, हफ्ते 10 दिन 15 दिन में हुआ है काम।
तो इस बार विश्वास है वापस लाने का? पसंद है?
पसंद तो देखो इस टाइम कह सकता हूँ अपने रमेश जी जो हैं उनके भी चांस है, बिदोड़ी जी की चांस है, बट थोड़ा सा उनकी बोल बनने का थोड़ा चक्कर है उनकी बोल।
हाँ। तो आपको इस बार लगता है कि आतिशी
का काम भी किया है और अपना देखिए पढ़ाई के लिए उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया इन्होंने, और बाकी
तो आप एक डिस्टिंक्शन कर रहे हैं पढ़ा लिखा एमएलए या
पढ़ा लिखा?
पढ़ा लिखा। झाड़ू ने काम करा है?
झाड़ू नहीं करा,
काम करा है। बताइए क्या काम करा है?
हमारी सीवर लाइन थी पीछे की, हमारी पानी की लाइन थी।
कितना बेकार था, कितना स्कूल सही कर दिया सरकारी स्कूल।
अच्छा किया है।
अच्छा
बच्चे जाते हैं यहाँ के?
और बच्चे संगम बिहार के यहाँ के बच्चे सब कितने आते हैं।
तो काम किया है,
काम किया,
विश्वास है।
हाँ विश्वास है,
केजरीवाल पे तो विश्वास है।
You have Ms. Alka Lamba from the Congress party who was with you as your colleague in the Aam Aadmi party, who actually won an election on your ticket, the Aam Aadmi ticket in 2015. How does that work? And because she's also a woman, you know, there is a certain familiarity where women candidates are concerned, and she is trying to exploit the same. Do you think it will make any impact?
See, I think two things. First of all, to be very fair, Congress now does not have very much of a ground presence in Delhi. So Congress, people do feel that Congress, giving a vote to the Congress is often wasting your vote. So I don't think Congress is frankly under serious consideration. Number one, people also regard her as an outsider, that she has never really been here before. People don't actually know her. And I think that that probably doesn't work that well for her as a candidate.
You also have somebody who's been very, very vocal on a BJP ticket, Ramesh Biduri.
I don't think vocal is the word. Vocal is probably a euphemism. I think rude, sexist. In Hindi, जिसमें कहते हैं ना गाली गलौज करने वाला, गुंडागर्दी करने वाला. So I don't think the people forget just of Kalkaji. I don't think anyone likes it. I think there's been.
He's been a sitting MP from here.
And in fact, interestingly, in the 10 years he was MP, he has not done one development work for the people of Kalkaji. There is this, see, because we talk a lot about our work, every program that we go to, everything, we talk about the work that we have done. So recently he has also started talking about the work he has done as an MP, and there's this leaflet he's been distributing that talks about work he's done in Palam, in Chhatarpur, in Tughlakabad. There is not one piece of developmental work that he has done for the people of Kalkaji when he was an MP here for 10 years. Not just that, even when he was an MP, people have hardly seen him here. And second, he is extremely foul-mouthed. And who would want a representative is someone whom you interact with on a day-to-day basis. You go to their offices. As I said, with representatives, you call them to your house, your children are getting married, you call them for their wedding, you call them for their kids' birthday parties. I think there's definitely a question in people's minds that do we want a man like that to be even entering our homes? But would we feel safe if the women of our house went to his office, if he can speak about a member of parliament and a sitting chief minister in the way he did? How is he going to behave with ordinary women of the constituency?
But, you know, with it, also, it's a double-edged sword because he's also an extremely polarizing figure, Ramesh Biduri. So there is a section which will align with him on the cause of Hindutva.
I don't think anyone aligns with him on the cause of Gundagardi. Let's be very clear on that. Nobody aligns with him as far as that is concerned. You go to any part of... there may be people who are committed BJP supporters who still vote for him. But nonetheless, even they wouldn't, if you were to push them and ask them in their heart of hearts, do you agree that this kind of hooliganism, this kind of gali galoch is acceptable? No one likes it. Who likes to hear language like that being used?
He's also made some comments rather unsavory, which also involve you.
Yes.
It could, to do with your surname, your father, affiliation to Afzal Guru. Would you want to, address that at all?
See,
because that is creating a narrative outside.
See, I think it's very clear that as far as the BJP is concerned, they have nothing to talk about in terms of the work that they have done. Right? When an Aam Aadmi Party leader goes on stage, not just in Kalkaji, in any part of Delhi, we talk about the work that we have done. We stand and give like half an hour long bhashans on Bijli, Pani, school, Mohalla clinic. Now, BJP has also been in power for 10 years. Right? They're in the central government. They give thousands of crores in the budget to Andhra Pradesh. They give thousands of crores to Bihar. And what have they done in Delhi in 10 years? The Prime Minister has laid the foundation stone for 3 colleges.
The sitting Delhi Chief Minister Atishi from the constituency of Kalkaji facing off with Ramesh Biduri, and one of the main planks of it is Hindutva, which Ramesh Biduri is bringing to the table for the Bharatiya Janata Party. But it remains to be seen, because in terms of image, in terms of perception, both Atishi, Ramesh Biduri diametrically opposite, and there is in midst of it